In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java on Windows 10. I do have Windows 11 though, but it is the same process. So if you go and open whatever browser you have, you can go to the URL section and type Java download. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. So click on the first link. And in here, you'll be able to download an example, Windows Online, or Windows, of course. If you have Mac or Linux, you'll be able to do it. But for me, I'm just going to choose Windows Online. So click on that option. It will give me this. I'm just going to save. And simply, I'm going to it and to the folder and double click on it. So click on yes. And for me, it is already installed. So if I click on install and stuff, it will not take any time, example, because as I said before, it is already installed for me. But for you, it should take just, I guess, 2 to 3 minutes and it should be good to go. So for me, they'll tell me an example, it's already installed at the last, but for you, it should be starts working example. So example, Java version detected. So I'm not going to do not now and stuff like that. And yeah, so that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.